Angibingelele bafethu egameni lenkosi yethu Jesu Kristu. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu bafethu nakulolu suku lanamhlanje ukuthi usigcinile wasipha ukuthi sibe ingxenye yalolu suku bafethu. It's not by default, it's not by mistake bafethu. It's because kune purpose, kunenjongo, kune assignment uNkulunkulu asibekele yona bafethu. Hayi ukuthi nje kube mnandi nje kuphela. Yebo ubumnandi siyabufuna kodwa injongo enkulu ukuthi icebo lakhe lokho asibizele kona la emhlabeni kufezeke in all way possible. Emsebenzini, esikoleni, inanoma ikuphi la ukhona. Yazi ukuthi ukhonela ukuthi icebo likaNkulunkulu lifezeke. Siyabonga uNkulunkulu bafethu. Namhlanje let us catch the purpose and run with it. Siyabonga uNkulunkulu bafethu. Ngaphandle komusha isikhathi, ake sibukise le nkosi bafethu laphana kumaHebrew chapter number 4 uverse number 2. Kufundeka kanjena, sofunda nje bafethu ngesizulu. Lithi ngokuba phela nathi sashunyayezwa ivangeli njengabo, kepha izwi abalizwayo alibasizanga bona, lokhu lingahlangananga nabezwayo ngokholo. Angiphinde bafethu leli verse. Ngokuba phela nathi sashunyayezwa ivangeli njengabo, kepha izwi abalizwayo alibasizanga, lokhu lingahlangananga nabezwayo ngokukholwa. For we have heard the good news of deliverance just as they did, yet they didn't join their faith with the word. They didn't join their faith with the word. Instead, what they heard didn't affect them deeply, for they doubted. Ithipithile bafethu. Sashunyayezwa ivangeli bafethu, ivangeli eliphilisayo, ivangeli elisindisayo, ivangeli elikhululayo. Kodwa leli ivangeli bafethu kunento efanele lihlangane nayo. Leli ivangeli, izwi likaNkulunkulu bafethu is so powerful. Izwi likaNkulunkulu bafethu liyawenza umehluko. Izwi likaNkulunkulu liyasebenza. Kodwa izwi likaNkulunkulu sometimes libonakala lingasebenzi, libonakala lingawenzi umsebenzi ngenxa ukuthi laba balizwayo, ngoba indaba inalabantu abalizwayo izwi likaNkulunkulu. Uma sewulizwile izwi likaNkulunkulu, ukholwa kuhamba phambili. Yini ukholwa bafethu? Ukholwa is to set your mind to the spiritual world, is to set your mind to the above world, is to set your mind to see things abantu abangaziboni. Ngamanye amazwi, uma kushunyayelwa izwi likaNkulunkulu lingena kuwe, fanele ulikholwe lelizwi ukuthi lizowenza umsebenzi, ubone izinto abantu abangaboni ngenxa yokuthi izwi likaNkulunkulu uyalikholwa. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu noma sebeshunyayeziwe, lelizwi alibasebenzelanga. Bafethu, izwi likaNkulunkulu alizukusebenzela uma ungalikholwa. Izwi likaNkulunkulu linamandla, izwi likaNkulunkulu liyakhulula, izwi likaNkulunkulu liyasindisa, izwi likaNkulunkulu liyaphilisa. Kodwa ukuze luwenze lowo msebenzi lidinga wena ukuthi ukholwe. Leli izwi fanele lihlangane nokukholwa. Athi sekhulumile uNkulunkulu uthi, yes Lord, I accept and receive, and I'm about to take a step and move into that direction of your word. Ngoba izwi lakho selishilo, mina sengizokwenza njengoba usushilo. Ngoba ukwenza ikona ukuconfirm ukuthi umuntu ulizwile izwi, and ukwenza ikona ukuconfirm ukuthi uyakholwa izwi likaNkulunkulu. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu abazange belihlanganisa. Ngamanye amazwi kwabonakala ngathi umsebenzi awenzeki, kwabonakala ngathi into kaNkulunkulu ayenzeki. Kanti hayi, ngoba into kaNkulunkulu ingenzeki ingoba izwi likaNkulunkulu lishunyayeliwe, kodwa abalizwayo bangalithatha ngendlela efanele balithathe ngayo. Bacabanga ukuthi ukukhuluma nje okujwayelekile, bacabanga ukuthi ukukhuluma nje kapresident, bacabanga ukuthi ukukhuluma nje komuntu, bacabanga ukuthi ukukhuluma nje okujwayelekile. Kanti ukukhuluma kaNkulunkulu, ukukhuluma kaNkulunkulu bafethu akufani nokukhuluma kwabantu, kodwa ukukhuluma kaNkulunkulu kunokuphila. Ukukhuluma kaNkulunkulu kunamandla. Ukukhuluma kaNkulunkulu kudinga umuntu also understand ukuthi faith is the only thing that will make this word of God possible. Asikuhlanganise nokukholwa bafethu. Akuthi makushunyayelwa esontweni lakho uthi yes Lord, akuthi makushunyayelwa njengoba ngishumayela uthi yes Lord, and take the step towards what the word of God was saying in your life. Ngoba uma ukunyakaza ikona okudetermine ukuthi leli izwi njengoba lishunyayelwa kuwe ulizwile, wasulihlanganisa and you mixed it with faith. uNkulunkulu anibusise ezinilizwe lelizwe, because the word of God is the creative word, is the word that creates. Amazwi akhandayo. Kodwa qala bafowethu, thina sifuna ukukhetha izinto physically, kanti izinto fanele ziqale spiritually. Fanele qala ukhole spiritually ukuthi lento eshiwo uNkulunkulu injalo, then in the physical it will appear. May God bless you bafethu. uNkulunkulu makanibusise, abe nani osukwini, anigcine bese ukholwa yizwi lakhe kube yikona okuhamba phambili. Sizobona umehluko, we'll see the result. God bless you.